How to connect the Fanatec DG Pro to PC. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your Fanatec DG Pro to your PC quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Power on the wheelbase. First, turn on your GT DG Pro using the power button on the back. Step 2. Switch to PC mode. Now, press the mode button until the LED turns red. This means it's in PC mode. If red doesn't work in your game, try purple, which is compatibility mode. Step 3. Connect the USB cable. Use a USB-C to USB-A or USB-C to USB-C cable, depending on your PC port. Plug it from the wheelbase directly into the PC. Try to avoid USB hubs. Go straight to the motherboard port. Step 4. Download and install Fanatec drivers. Go to fanatec.com driver and download the latest PC drivers. Install them and restart your PC when done. Step 5. Open Fanatec control panel. After rebooting, open the Fanatec control panel. Your DD Pro should appear there automatically. Step 6. Update firmware. If a firmware update is suggested, go ahead and follow the steps. Step 7. Launch your racing game. Open your favorite game, select the Fanatec wheel in the settings, and calibrate your wheel and pedals. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to connect your Fanatec DG Pro to your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.